Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, June 23, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, June 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong June 23, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, June 23, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for June 23, 2026, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, June 23, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.